If you're looking for a fantastic 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, that can give the iPhone a tough competition in every aspect, then your search is about to end soon. Because Nokia is gearing up to launch a powerhouse smartphone just for you. Packed with a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel DSLR grade camera, and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, this phone is set to redefine performance at an unbeatable price. Yes, we're talking about the upcoming Nokia McLaren Pro 5G smartphone. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today we'll be diving deep into the fully leaked specs, price, and launch date of this incredible device. Let's start. Features of Nokia McLaren Pro 5G. Display. Nokia's latest flagship boasts a massive 6.9-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass armor for next-level protection. And guess what? It's also IP68 rated, making it dustproof and waterproof. Camera setup. When it comes to camera quality, this phone is ready to take on the iPhone head-on. The quad camera setup on the back features a mind-blowing 200-megapixel primary sensor, along with 50-megapixel, 24-megapixel, and 5-megapixel secondary cameras. For selfie lovers, there's a 64-megapixel front camera that'll make every shot Instagram-worthy. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by Qualcomm's most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, ensuring seamless gaming and multitasking. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 16 OS, making it future-proof. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The 6800 mAh powerhouse keeps you going all day, and with 100-watt super-fast charging, and a USB Type-C Gen 2 port, you'll be back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? Well, the expected price is around $750, making it a steal for the specs it offers. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned because we'll update you as soon as we get more details.